I first discovered these RST electrical installation connectors from Wieland Electric over 10 years ago, when developing a light fitting for use with industrial handrails. I'm betting the eagle-eyed viewers are already typing out comments about the cable ties. Don't worry, we'll dive into that mystery and why the connector has a fabulous brown colour later in the video. The before and after lighting shots highlight a significant improvement, but from a customer's perspective, the most remarkable enhancement was the reduced installation time.
The installation of 200 metres of these lighting was installed in just 50 minutes.
Thanks, Derek. That sounds like another problem solved. In industrial settings, time is a critical factor due to the challenging work environment, potential disruptions to production, and frequent layout reconfigurations. So, a pluggable wiring system offers initial advantages through reduced installation time and longer-term benefits from ease of maintenance and the ability to quickly alter or add to it. Electricians working in interior commercial spaces will probably be familiar with pluggable wiring systems, and Wieland pioneered this approach with the GST series of connectors. The RST series offers a similar concept, but is designed for harsher environments with dust and moisture. This range boasts a triple IP rating, IP66, IP68 for full water immersion up to 3 meters for 2 hours, and IP69K for resistance to high pressure, high temperature water jets. There are even ATEX rated versions of these connectors that can be used in hazardous locations. With a host of international approvals, even electricians working in the USA and Canada can join in the fun. So no excuses, time to ditch those wire nuts. The RST series offers various components, including plug and socket connectors, available in both screwed and screwless versions. These can be integrated into housings to create cabled plug and socket connections, or used as adapters that connect directly to conduit entries on equipment like light fittings, motors, or switchgear. Various angled options for plugs and housings are available to simplify installation. In addition to the connectors, a variety of distribution blocks offers flexibility in wiring system designs. We recently tested this setup during a farm lighting installation by connecting a pre-wired cable to each light fixture and employing distribution blocks to link the adjacent fixtures. An alternative approach could have been to pre-wire each lighting fixture with a plug and socket, facilitating loop-in and loop-out wiring. To further minimize installation time, we could have used pre-wired leads from Wieland, eliminating the need for on-site wiring. Wieland offers pre-made leads up to 8 meters long in rubber and PVC cable materials. Let's save this for later with Ross, or else he might run out of things to grumble about.
I don't know what you're whinging for anyway. I think I've got the harder job not doing all.
In our installation, we use the classic range with a current rating of up to 20 amps. For more compact solutions, the RST range provides several size variants. Even within the classic range, there are multiple options offering connection poles from 2 to 7 ways. The color coding is meant to match specific voltages and applications. So in a lighting setup, you could have several switching circuits and even include wiring for daily lighting control. In the handrail installation we talked about at the start of the video, I used a safety extra low voltage supply, which is why I went with the brown plug and socket. Using cell makes following the wiring regulations easier, which is perfect for an exposed handrail. A few other installation tips. It's important to note that RST connectors are not designed for on-load disconnections and cannot replace IEC 60309 style connectors. The plugs and sockets easily mate and securely lock together, requiring a tool for disconnection. While the system is rated IP68, it is not intended for permanent burial underground.
Where are them blanks? You know them blank things we had? Them plugs? Them blank ends? Yeah.
Unused ways on distribution blocks should be covered with a blank cap. When installing in exposed outdoor environments, position distribution blocks and connectors to prevent water from accumulating in the back of connector housings. I'll include a link to the complete RST range in the description. Let me know your thoughts or any technical questions you might have. Regular viewers may already be familiar with the RST cable system, as it is part of the PODUS cabling system used in EV charger installations. If you're looking to reduce on-site time for high power installations, I recommend watching the video currently on screen.